Hi, I'm Chrissy Wilkin. I'm an art teacher at Eleanor Roosevelt High School in Greenbelt, Maryland. Okay, with schools being out for another month, I think a lot of teachers are thinking about ways to connect with their students. And a great way to connect is to make a video. But some of us might not have made a video before, might be uncomfortable seeing ourselves, hearing our voices, and editing. So I'm going to help you use iMovie to edit your video. This is where you can find iMovie in your applications. When you open up iMovie, you're going to need to import media. You can make your media using Photo Booth. You can record yourself and take photos. All right, right now I am using Zoom, which is normally used to just communicate with other people, but there's a great feature in Zoom that allows me to share my screen, and then I can also record what I'm sharing. So this seemed like the easiest way to record what I'm doing here on the screen. So I'm showing you iMovie right now. iMovie can be found under applications, and it's looks like a movie star. And I made that first video that you saw right here using Photo Booth, which is also available on your Mac. I took that Photo Booth file and I dragged it over here into the media area to add that media. I also added some media, some screenshots so that I can show people how to find this. And I'm taking that screenshot and I'm going to move it down here. Okay, down here in this area, this is the video that I am creating. Okay, and I just added this picture. Now, this is a screenshot and it's going to last for 4 seconds. Right now, if I go up to this cropping section and I click on that screenshot, I can either crop to fill, and that will, I'll show you what that will look like. That'll look like this, doesn't move at all. If I wanted to zoom in or move, I can try the Ken Burns option, and then that will look like, whoops, I don't want Ken Burns on that. Crop to fill or fit. There we go, fit. And on this, let's do Ken Burns. And when I have the Ken Burns, there's a start and end. So I can move this box around to different areas. Here's my end. I can zoom in on iMovie and start on the whole video. So let's see what that would look like. Mac. Now I zoom in on iMovie. There you go. So that's kind of cool. Now, in between me talking and this picture, I might want to have a transition. So I'm going to go up here. Lots of different transition options. So I'm going to try fade to white. Let's see what that looks like on your Mac. I didn't like that. I'm going to take that transition out. I'm just going to click on it, highlights yellow, deletes that. Let's do slide right. Let's see what that looks like. Mac. Okay. So let's say I want to record some audio to this. That's an option as well. Looking at this record voiceover button, I'm going to press that. And just for the sake of recording, I'm just going to start my button there, press the record button. Okay, now I'm recording a voiceover. Stop. All right, so my voiceover shows up down here. So let's listen. On your, okay, now I'm recording a voiceover. Stop. All right, this could be used creating like a slideshow presentation if you want to put a lot of pictures into your video and then have a voiceover. All right, so we got the voiceover. We can add pictures, transitions, One more thing you might want to add is some words or titles. So let's go to the beginning of my video here. I'm going to take a photo of myself in photo booth. I'm going to add it to my media. Let's go to my media and add that to my media there. And then I'm going to just take this photo, put that at the beginning, and I'm going to add a title. Okay, lots of different options for titles as well as backgrounds. So if you don't want to put a photo of yourself, you could put a background or a picture of anything, really, any kind of media that you have. Let's go back to titles. Uh, creating a world map. Why is it doing that? Okay, let's go back to titles. And I want a title that's going to show up kind of in the bottom so it doesn't block my face. And I'm going to put that title right on top of the picture and then click on it and call this a video tutorial for iMovie. Okay. And I can change the font to a different color. Instead of white, maybe make it red so it shows up a little bit better. Maybe make the red a little darker. All right. iMovie video tutorial. Now, these captions can go even in the middle of videos. So let's say right here in the video, Greenbelt, Maryland, and this video, okay, maybe I want to put my name and who I am. That can go right here. My name is Chrissy Wilkin, art teacher from Eleanor Roosevelt High School. Okay, let's see what that looks like. I'm Chrissy Wilkin. I'm an art teacher at Eleanor Roosevelt High School in Greenbelt, Maryland. And this video is to show teachers how to make. Okay, so that shows how to put that title in. Maybe I want to put another transition right here. Now, let's say I want to add some music. I have options through my iTunes library. I can add music, sound effects. Right now, I don't have anything downloaded on this computer, but that could also be dragged into here. Okay, I hope that this tutorial helped you so that you can start making videos for your students and connect with students through distance learning.